Want to change your profile photo on TikTok using your iPhone? Well, look no further. It's super easy and you can do it in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to update your TikTok profile picture quickly. So, without any further delay, let's get started. First, open up the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on Edit Profile. Now, tap on the camera icon right here. Here you'll get some options like Take Photo. That means use your iPhone's camera to take a new photo. Or Upload a Photo means choose an existing photo from your iPhone's photo library. I'm gonna upload a video from my photo library. So, tap on Upload Photo. Now select a photo from here. If you want to save this picture and want to post this to Story, then tap Save and Post. Or if you want to just save as a profile picture, then uncheck this post. Then, if you want to save this picture and want to post this to Story, then tap Save and Post. Or if you want to just save as profile picture, then uncheck the Post this photo to Story option. And then tap Save. Your TikTok profile picture has been changed successfully. That's all for today. This is how you can change your profile photo on TikTok using your iPhone. Hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.